A 3-bedroom house plan with a pergola carport and a stunning exterior for outdoor activities. In order to make it an ideal starter house for beginners, the architect judiciously designed the spaces so as to suit a limited budget. The building has an area of 156.7 square meters with a construction budget of approximately $47,010. The building sits suitably on a land of size 24 by 18 meters and an area of 432 square meters. The layout of the plan comprises front terrace which ushers us into the living room. The kitchen and dining areas are beautifully merged together in the same space. There are 3 bedrooms and none is a suite. 1 washroom for both dwellers and visitors. A carport which is roofed with pergola. Walkthrough. The living area. The living area, which is also the family common room, doesn't compromise on luxury and appeal. Walkthrough. Kitchen and dining area. The kitchen is arranged with a functional layout, putting into consideration the stunning dining area which overlooks the carport. Walkthrough. 3 bedrooms. Although none of the rooms is a master, all the rooms vary in sizes. This is the biggest of the 3 rooms, whilst the other rooms are equally spacious. Thanks so much for watching and supporting this channel. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.